Boom, we back on deck, y'all. I figured I'll go ahead and fire up the camera and get a good glimpse of what we got here. You know, since the last time we was shortly on live just a little while ago, you can see that juice. As you look at that juice on there, you can see you can see the process that we're working with. See, this is quality. Right. This is quality. This is what you want right here. So they just gonna smoke for a while. Guess I'll put some more wood chips on them. I can bring them a little closer to the fire now. Yeah, I can bring them a little closer to the fire. But to me, it look like they looking good, man. They good in red. They smoking. They sweating right now. Yeah, they sweating. They sweating good, man. You know, this is how I go. This is how it's going, you know. Because that's what they do. They just smoke. You know. They just smoke themselves on. No, look at that. Look at that. As soon as you drop that collagen on there, you get a smoke. You get a good proper smoke, a nice smoke. You know. They know this is what you're going for. You know, you're going for the smoke, you're going for the heat. See, right now, they already been blazed up. So they don't need no extreme heat or nothing like that. They just need to be close to this fire as possible to be able to sustain this good smoking I'm finna put on them. Now, after this, y'all, it ain't gonna be as visible to the naked eye to see the color of these oxtails. But while we sit here and we observe this masterpiece, right? We're gonna zoom in and we'll get a close-up of what we got. Now I want y'all to take a look at that color. And y'all tell me what you see. And by the way, for the people that's watching this video, subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Like, share, subscribe. Right. But yeah, man, this is the color. This is what we going for. I ain't even got no light. If y'all can see the sky is like that. Ain't even no sun beaming down on them. If the sun was to light them up, or if I could light them up with a light, you could see the real in-depth, some red smoke. But by the looks of this, you know, just by looking at it like that, you can see the color on there, you know. Now what I came to do was, I just came to check on them and see if they need some water, but they was juicy. The juice was just coming from them. I mean, they smoking good, man. I'm thinking, see how they're starting to sizzle? See, we don't want no more cooking. We don't want them to cook no more than what they already did. We already took them through that. See, they didn't already live like that, but they ain't gotta live like that no more. So now, what we doing now with them, we're getting them to get tender. Yeah, we're getting them to get real tender. So, you know, people ask me all the time, how do you get them tender on the grill? And I'll tell them, with patience, with dedication, and with education in this game. Now, it's a strategy to how to get these like this, y'all. And if you notice, my strategy has always worked. And it's always been a good strategy. See, I ain't never had a strategy that didn't work with these tails. Now look at these baby juniors. Look at these baby juniors over here. But they doing good. They doing good. They doing extremely well. Now, look at them. Look how they looking now, y'all. On a close-up. They cold. And guess what? They ain't even halfway. They ain't even been halfway through what they gotta go through. They gotta go through more than this with me. Yeah, I take them through a lot of different fundamentals. See that big one? Just sit that big one down. It's gonna have to smoke. Yeah, I won't have to stand up tall. This one here. Okay, let's see. Sit this one here right there. See, it's a certain place. It's a proper place to put all of them, y'all. If you don't put them in right, it ain't gonna be right. Let me show you. That's what we're going for. That's what we're going for, y'all. That's what you want. Now I'm gonna show you what else we finna do. Get me some smoke going. It's a little bit of smoke, not too much. Not too much at all. Now, what I will say is, the little smoke that we do got, I like for it to do its job. Do its job that's needed right now is to smoke these out, you know? So back to the smoke chamber it goes, you guys. You guys know the routine. We're gonna let them smoke, man. We'll let them smoke. You know, close that. Keep that chimney closed. Don't forget, if you got this chimney right, you know that smoke is gonna start to come up out of there like Christmas. That's why we don't keep the chimney open. Right. We keep that chimney closed. And we breathing pretty good right now. But everything that's gonna do its thing, it's gonna smoke through, it's gonna do its thing. And you know, like I say, I'm gonna let them do this process right here for about an hour and a half. Just smoke. I'm gonna come out, blast it a little bit, a little water, you know, and I'm gonna get it going, you know. And then they're gonna do this. They've been doing this for about an hour now, about 2 hours. They're gonna do this about 4 hours. I let them do about 4-5 hours. Then I go ahead and I heat the coals back up on the right side. And we're gonna do a video tonight. I'm gonna show you. And it's gonna be the end results. And we're gonna eat. Cause I'm going with carrots, celery, and potatoes inside my chamber when I do my smoke chamber. My third stage. See the second stage game right here. Look at that. Come on, y'all. Don't play with me. Y'all stay tuned to this real game, man. No breaks, AK Real Life TV. I'm going one.